Guys, good morning, good afternoon. I greet everybody. Good morning. How are you doing? Happy weekend. So, today is our topic. Èmi náà ni Ìyá Ìbàdàn, Ìsì Ìyá Ìbàdàn, àmọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀. Today is for gist, na gist. If you see something, you have to talk. So, I greet everybody. I greet my mother, I greet my sister, I greet my friend, I greet my enemy. So today, because of our brother, popular brother, gushy brother, flashing brother, Abbas or Bashir, I don't know, whatever like that. I think it's Bashir or Abbas. So I come for this our brother popular everybody know on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. This guy was flashing, audio money. Ha! Wow! Mo fa o. Àwọn èèyàn ń ṣe gbágbé láyé wọ́n ń gbọ́ lọ́rùn. Kí ló dé sógun láyé ni? Níbo la fẹ́ kówó ìlọ nítorí Ọlọ́run torí kò tiẹ̀ yé mi. Ibi tá a fẹ́ kówó ìlọ ni mo fẹ́ káwọn èèyàn wá ṣàlàyé fún mi. I don't know where you want to pack this money go. If you die, they will not bury you with the money. They will not bury you with the house. They will not bury you with the car. Where are you? People rushing. Why? At the end of the day, you will rush. You rush your life now. You will go finish your life for jail. You will go finish your life for jail because if you people dey for this life, if you don't have patience, if you don't get patience, if you no fit bear something, you want to get car, you want to build house, you want to popular, you want let people know you just go put yourself on problem. How your family wan take feel now? I will mention the guy. Don't rush. Why are you rushing? Stay. Enjoy this video. Enjoy this video. Please don't rush. Go anywhere. Why are you rushing? This our popular brother, flashing brother, Gucci brother. They're supposed to give this guy name. Gucci. People, the company where they make Gucci, supposed to give this guy like ambassador, because their bag Gucci, shoe Gucci, cloth Gucci, everything their life now Gucci. Me sef, I wear Gucci. What do you mean by me? Don't dare me or don't look at me. Maybe me sef, I no get Gucci. I get Gucci for house so. But my Gucci is not like your own. Our brother popular. This our brother popular Hush Puppy. My brother, how far na market? How you dey? I hope now say the place where they keep you now na Gucci room o. Now wow. Although this car, this house, this enjoyment na 419, my brother. Oh my God, you disappoint Nigeria. But not be Nigeria sef, you disappoint your family. You disappoint your mother, your father, your sister, your wife, your children. Oh my God, my brother, who do this thing na flash na 419. You make another person to cry, then you use that money to make yourself to happy. To the flash people on Instagram, on Facebook, everywhere. Why some people like to live fake life? Show yourself the way you are. Show yourself the way you be. Don't be like this. You are nothing. He said this guy get like more than, let me say, 2,000 accounts. They use people do scammer. Brother Bashiru, how far now? I hope now say Dubai go do you well now because you be ambassador of Gucci, How far, bros? How market? Oh my God. Me sef I get Gucci. See my Gucci now. See this message for guys, for ladies, for women. wey you like to look for man, they have money. They don't want to hustle by themselves. They don't want to suffer. They don't want to suffer. They don't want to hustle. They look for man on Instagram, on Facebook. The man she get money. I know say some lady where they follow Hush Puppy now. You supposed to come outside though. You supposed to follow this guy go prison. You know, because the time where this guy they do that scammer, where they collect money for another people hand, you there no fit tell and say, my guy, wetin they do, e no good oh. Yeah, but I go talk in own now. Why I no go talk my own? I go talk. You go know, you don't see my eyes. You know, if you tell your guy, say, guy, wetin they do is not nice. So this thing way they do is not good. You there just they chop the money. He they buy you Gucci. He they give you car. He they buy you house. You know, Hassan. Me self, I just do. If I look the guy for Instagram, I see this guy. I know they follow him, but if I see their picture, I know they comment, I know they, but I go just the reason say, which work this guy they do for Dubai where you can't get this canteen? Abi, no be abroad people dey, where person they work. Now so work is to get money. How do these people, how do these flashy people, but people will won't get hypertension and you go get hypertension. I swear to God. I know they look somebody saying, I want to be like this person. I go just dey pray, say, God, do my own. Don't compare yourself with another person because you don't know the way that person make their money. You don't know the way where that person make their money. So don't use yourself compare another person. Just pray for God. Just pray. Say, God, bless me. I want to bless my family. I want to bless people around me. I want to bless people where they don't have anything. Don't use yourself to compare anybody. Because I know say some people is outside there, they look this us pop or puppy or who's puppy. I don't know whether na pop Ibekwe. I bet when you Hush Puppy. Kini puppy, kini pop. To you hear me? Oh, yeah, me far. But how far? But how far? I pity for you. No, because I no pity for you. I pity for you because now, as I can't catch you now, as I can't catch you now, I want to beat your name again. Why no feel work? Work in Dubai. See all do that people where they gather do that 419. Now so God will go to point all of these people, they go, they catch you one by one. A lot of people where they abroad, where they do 419. Now show God will go, they catch you. Now so all of these white people, you don't know this is white people, they don't be like Nigeria. Now Nigeria, if you do 419, we be like, say they no go catch you until where you go die. But America, Dubai, they know they play because they get collection, they get internet, they work, they know they sleep, they know they don't be like police of Nigeria. They know they sleep. All their street, they put camera. This Hush Puppy now, as they show for Instagram, I don't know, so these people that they monitor you because they go, they watch you. The people where they get country self, they no get money reach you. The way where you they flash, they know they flash like you. You don't know all of these Dubai people, they know they wear past white. White and this their wrapper where they tie for hair. They know they wear past that one. But this Hush Puppy, you go they show car, you go they show hotel where they lodge, you go they show everything. See your life now. You think say maybe Dubai, it be like Nigeria. No. All abroad will not be like Nigeria. If you go do a legally thing, they must catch you. If you leave you for how many years? Maybe you do illegal work, if they work, you no collect permission work, if they do anything, we be like say government no plan. They just leave you to get the money where you want to get. The day where they go cash you, my brother, see the way you end your life now. Hush Puppy, see the way you end your life because I need money. I want to build house. I want to buy car. If you die, they will not bury you with the car. They will not bury you with that house where you build. Why they rush your life? Some people go get money to assist another person. You go be like problem. If you don't get, people know say you no get. But if you get, they want to build house. They will just pack money for Nigeria. Come keep on for abroad for year. Come they use and buy house for year. But people there for that Nigeria wey be like say they never see afternoon food eat. They never see morning food eat. They never see their children's school fees to pay. Hush puppy, you be 419. Oh my God, me sef I even know, but I know now. Wetin you don't know, no fit come outside to come and talk now. How dare you? How dare you? Because which work is dey work? Which work is dey work for that Dubai? Everything na Gucci, everything na flashing. Although this message is for woman for outside there, for man wey be like say they rush their life. The day where your mama born you, no be that day you start to waka, no be that day you start to creep. You start everything small, small. If you no get patience, you go put your hand wetin you no supposed to put your hand. I know say now, hush puppy now, you go come dey regret. All the money where you get for that Dubai now, all the car, they no go allow you to carry anything. It's for government because the money is not your sweat. It's another person's sweat. Use more than 2,000 accounts to scam people. You are selling car. You are selling wristwatch. My guy, please, you have to get patient. You have to get patient. Everybody get their time. Don't use yourself to compare another people. Although these people where they like to do 419, you forget say that person where you collect the money, you don't know the way we get that money to give you. Because you want to get what you want. You want to make yourself to happy. You want to make yourself, your family to happy. Then you put cry for another family. Why? But that house puppy. Hey. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin slay mama, ẹ̀yin slay queen. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ like better thing. Who no like better thing? Na lata she no be all better thing. E pure. No be all better thing is pure. I know say lady wey be like say don't collect something for this all puppy now. They go tell say wetin concern me. I don't collect wetin I wan collect for in hand. You don't collect wetin you wan collect for in. God go ask you because wetin you collect e no pure at all. It's better return that thing. Or if you no fit return am, sell am, go give motherless baby. Go give people wey be like say they no see food to chop. Go hustle, go work. All this slim mama wey they no want to work, all their Instagram, they go see their nyash for there. Their shape, they go dey show because they find rich man. They don't want to hustle, they don't want to suffer. Yes, no one wey wan suffer, no woman wey wan suffer, but no be say you go see man wey be like say everything Gucci. You know has the guy which work he dey do. He just dey collect money for this guy hand. But that hush puppy, hush puppy, hush puppy, hush puppy. I shame for guys wey be like say they no fit work. I shame for woman wey be like say they no fit hustle by themselves. But if you see another lady for there, they hustle online on this thing, they go dey curse the person, they go dey spoil their name. Because you there, you no want to work, but you ready to spoil another person's name. You ready to bring another person down. Why Nigeria be like this? Africa, why you be like this? Why our mind just full like or rat or snake? You know if you hustle, you know if you use your phone, your internet where you dey use for free to look people wey post picture, to look people wetin you do today, wetin you do tomorrow, to look wetin you write for their this thing. You know if you use that internet to work for yourself, to hustle for yourself. But you see another woman like you, he dey hustle online, no dey sleep. You see him as he dey show themselves on Instagram. He dey hustle for themselves because he don't want to suffer. He don't want to do like this hush puppy do. But you know if you support that person, if you see their video, or if you see something about the person, you know if you support them, what you need to do? Just dey gather yourself and talk. What you know, so you know supposed to talk. What your eyes no see. You dey talk am. They will just hate you for no reason. See this hush puppy now. He dey post, he dey do this, he dey do that. I know say a lot of guys go there, they say, I want to be like this hush puppy. They go dey follow am for Instagram like I say tomorrow no dey, because they know say get money wey go use to do giveaway. If you do giveaway for you supposed to follow this guy go prison. Because no be only hush puppy you chop this money now. Also you chop inside the money. So you need to follow this hush puppy. You need to follow and go prison. My guy. 419. God will go dey point you one by one. Even this in German here, God will go point all of you. They go dey catch you one by one. Even though if you catch you, make them no carry you go back to Nigeria. Because if you carry you go back to Nigeria, that level where they do for abroad, you go still go start for Nigeria again. Make they leave you for that prison. May you use your life for there. Because man, wey be like say no fit get patience. You want to get money, hurry. Because the day where your mama born you, now that day you start to waka, and that day you start to talk. May they leave you for this place. May they leave you for that prison. May they serve their country. May they help and clean their prison. May they no carry you go back to Nigeria. Because if you carry you go back to Nigeria, if you not see that level do, now all these people, they will go turn themselves to assassin, kidnapper. May they not carry you go. This hush puppy now. May they not. If you don't spend like how many years for prison for Dubai finish. May they not. I beg you, Dubai police. I dey beg you the name of God. God will go bless your country for you. God will not go let your country spoil like our own. No. I beg, don't carry hush puppy or all these criminal people. May they don't carry and go back to Nigeria. I beg. May they don't carry and go back to Nigeria. Let him die for that prison. I beg. I beg. May they don't carry and go back to Nigeria. Because if you carry all these people go back to Nigeria, they will go spoil Nigeria more. They go start to carry new baby, go kill them, use and do spiritual money, go turn themselves to assassin. The one where they for Africa, where they for Nigeria, they never face that one finish. I bet all these 5 criminals where they catch now. I see say one woman they herself. One lady dey inside, we dey for that business. One ladies for that matter. You know if you work, has get there, no fit do am. Some lady go there, I never do ice girl. I never do. They go dey select work. Be like say na their papa get that country. Sister, you don't know say na live video. Na hush puppy now. Hush puppy. Hush puppy. It dey fly Gucci car, Gucci cloth. Hush puppy. So, but that hush puppy, hush fan now. Woman wey like fashion, you must work. Man wey like fashion, wey like to be dance, wey like to get car, you need to work. You need to work. I beg me, I dey beg government of Dubai, police of Dubai, I beg, don't carry this hush puppy go Nigeria. I dey beg you the name of God. Because the one way they Nigeria, although these people where they there, they never finish. They still they face the problem. They never finish. So if you can't carry this hush puppy now, go Nigeria now. If you can't serve their prison finish, then you can't come outside. It is what I want to do now. You go turn himself to ask my kidnapper, assassin, spiritual. I beg. Because person wey be like say if he dey Dubai, wey no fit hustle, wey be like say na that level in dey do. If you wan carry am go that Nigeria, no go fit work again. No, na that level go still do. No matter how, you go still go back. So please don't carry this guy go back to Nigeria. I'm begging you the name of God. If you don't serve their prison finish, I beg, let him they clean the prison for you. I beg. Because me, I don't know why some people go there, they no fit get patient. I even happy. Because if you all know these people still dey life, this life you no go dey well. Why all the country no go get coronavirus? Because all our work, our hand is not pure. All this our hand na bad thing full for. They come to say na China get coronavirus. No be say na China get coronavirus so. Na our bad thing wey people don't do. God just, he can't dey look everybody like this. If they get patient, they go repent. They no want return the peer. They no want return that peer. They no want return that pen. So na so God just face. No be say na China get coronavirus. Na that our bad thing. Kill small pikin, rape small pikin, do spiritual, do bad thing. The work wey no supposed to do, they do am. See, if God say na age of 50 years, you go build house. Na that age you go build the house. No matter what you can do, you no go build that house. Because God don already sign that age. Say na that age you go build the house. God don already sign the age. Say na that age you go get the car. So don't rush yourself. Some people dey wey be like say wey they small, wey they young, they no get money, they no get anything. The time wey be like say they don't reach to old. Now that time God just bless am. So just wait for your time. Don't use another person compare your life. Because say Baba Sukura, you don't get house. Me self, I must build house. My brother, you go kill yourself. You go kill yourself like this hush puppy. You go pull your hand for wetin you not supposed to pull your hand, because that thing get money. You understand me? So we need to get patience. We need to get patience. I watched one their video. He thought say, if say na that time where they kill their sister, throw if you say this time now or in papa, if say na this time in papa no go die because money don't full everywhere. Money where you no work for. We be like say na another person money. We be like say na another person. Then I want to talk some people self, online people. We be like say people go they show you something. I'm said this, I'm said that, I'm said this, I'm said that. You never see this thing. You they send the money. You not see the person on face. Even if the money plenty for your hand, modernized baby they will be like say they need money. Homeless people they will be like say they need money. Why not if you go use that kind of money to help that person? They go now be only Yahoo Plus self. They do this thing. Hush puppy now, Hush Market, my big brother. Gucci brother, Fashashi brother. How far now? I know now say that place where they put you now, they will give you better food, better Gucci food, better Gucci water. You need to walk. If you know say you like better thing, walk. Afternoon walk, morning walk, evening walk. Don't sleep. Because person will like better thing, we want to be that, you know they sleep, you know they rest. Then don't walk, we be like say government self no put hand. Because although these people don't say maybe they know they monitors. They monitors. Yeah, no be like Africa. Yeah, no be like Nigeria. We be like say you fit do anyhow. They go leave you because they know say na money you want. They go leave you to find the money. The day where they go cash you. Whether you get family for here, you no get family. They must carry you. Because that it be like say you dey thief government. Yeah, no be like Nigeria, we be like say if you do any work, your government no go know what you dey do. Yeah, they want to know everything about you. Even if you get extra money in your accounts, they must ask you where the money come from. Who give you the money? Which kind of work you do where this money just enter your accounts? They want to know. They want to know. So why no come get patient? At the end of the day, you go dey hurry your life for year. You go dey walk. At the end of the day, if you can't cash, you carry you go back to Nigeria. At the end of the day, you go reach out, you go say your family self no even do anything for you. Where you want to start? Some family they go dey take another person house picture. They go dey send out for you. They go dey the place where be like say what it don't happen for me. Now I mean they tell you. They go some sites where be like say that they do work for there. They do live video. They go to give that people money. They go to tell you say na your site. Why you can't dey hurry yourself? Why you no can't get patient? Because if you die, all of these sites, they no go beat down for you. They no go beat the house, join you. You no go carry the house, go. As far as say you see the place, they pull your hair. You dey see something to put for mouth. Just assist another person. We be like say they no see anything to chop. Some people go get 5 private jets, 6 private jets. If you die, my brother, my sister, my father, my mother, they no go carry that private jet follow you. Some people did that outside that country, that Nigeria. They no see place to sleep. Some people they sleep for Paco. Why not use that money where they use to buy private jets to help that people? See this our mother, Madam Wozilla. God will bless your family. God will support you. By the grace of God, this woman said, even though if this woman die, even though if you do bad thing, God just forgive her. For the people they are feeding, for the people they are give food. Although this abroad, this mother Wozilla, they give people where they abroad, they give them food. All those old women, we be like say they no fit work again. See Nigeria. Now trailer this woman, they used to give people food. Also Abuja everywhere. Are you ever see this woman on Facebook or Instagram to show their house, to show their private jets? But this woman, they support people. They help people. Even people where they abroad self, if you call this woman, if you get this opportunity to see this woman, to talk with this woman, it will give you money to do business. Why this woman no they use their money pack private jets? Even though if you thought say this woman has spiritual money, people they enjoy them. People they enjoy them. You will be like say your own no be spiritual money. Why no they use them support another person? Osh Poppy now, Osh people, or what it be the name? Bashir. Congratulations to you. You go live your life for praising. Me, I no praising. Me they carry all of these 5 guys or 6. One lady dead there. And they beg you need to work. Don't spoil Nigeria. Finish. You need to work. You dey answer country, no fit work. Now God will go they punch all these people where they do bad for abroad. Where they do illegal work. God will go they catch you one by one. Me, I pray for that one. All of these people will be like say, you even though you go see her online like this, you go frustrate, say, no be abroad, they say me in. But me, I know they use myself compare another person. Because this my hair. This my hair. This my hair. I know say I carry good luck. Come. I no get bad luck. You say where you they look me, no get bad luck. If you believe yourself, you must get what you want. So don't use yourself to compare another person. Because this person won't get house, you self won't get house. This person don't get car, I won't get car. This person don't get this, I won't get this. This person don't marry, I want marriage. The way you enter the marriage, now so you rush come outside. Please, work. 419 is not good. Illegal work is not good. Any work wey be like say government you don't know about it. Now so your life will just end like this. If they work, government you don't know. If they do something, government you don't know. It be like say you dey thief government. You just say you wise, you know wise. Although these white people, they're wise. They get sense. They get computer. They get everything. They see you. Don't say maybe they don't see you. Why I want to know? They know. But they won't relax you. They won't do their foundation well. They won't leave you, make you get the money where you need. They can leave you for 10 years to get the money. At the end of the day, all the money where you get, you go spend and go finish. No go remain. Even though the house where you bid for house, you go sell them. So why you no come get patient? Then if you carry family matter, now so it the end. My sister come, you want to pay your children school fees, you won't give her. You can't carry family matter put for here. You go pull your hand for waiting, you're not supposed to pull your hand. So just relax yourself. That family, that your sister, that your brother, the time we never go another country, that they manage themselves. They survive. They take care of their family. So why we be like say you don't travel now, they won't come carry their problem, can't give you. Then you say won't come carry yourself, go put yourself for problem. Now this hush puppy now, which your family won't come for Nigeria now, can't help you for this problem where you did. Which your family you won't come to come and help you for this problem where you put yourself. No family go come for Nigeria. What did they do now? All their property, your property where you get for Nigeria now, the way we go they share them. Before all these people follow you go Nigeria, go look where you get. Before all these people come, they don't carry what they won't carry. That's life. So don't rush yourself. Don't kill yourself because of family. Don't kill yourself because you want to build house. You understand me? Hush puppy. If God will help you for this problem, I beg don't go back to Nigeria. I use the name of God beg you. Because I know if you go back to that Nigeria, you go turn yourself to asthma boy or assassin or kidnapper or armed robber. Why? Walk. You get this. You get power. You be man. You be woman. You get this thing. Why no fit walk? Why? You go see some people online. If they walk, they go they bring the person down. They go they talk rubbish. They go they talk with their eyes no see. They go because you there, you lazy, you jobless, you depend on government. If you hustle, if you work, do P2 plus, I be waiting that they call am. He dey there online work. You can do that one. If you give you 300 euro now money now. If you send that money, give your family, they go they pray for you now. Instead of you to go put your hand for bad thing. Or do this business a day online where you be like say if you do. So even the way be like say they invite me, say make me come join. I never download the app. That's why I never join. If I join, you go see me on Facebook. There I can't talk. It's because I don't feel sit down. Go ask me for that. I know they sit down for one place. Nothing wey me no fit do to make money, but I no fit do bad thing. I no fit do illegal thing. Wey be like say I know say if it take my life. So go work. Hush puppy, God will go help you. This message I beg. Let me share her. Let me share this video. Like, comment. Drop your message for this my comment section. You understand? Drop your opinion. What do you see for this video? Whether it makes sense or no make sense. Please help me share this video. Share, like, go work. Nigeria ladies, Nigeria man. Gucci hush puppy. Bye.